high wind message for the following area. In Wyoming, South Laramie Range, west to northwest winds 35 to 45 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour possible. Ground blizzard conditions are also possible due to significant blowing and drifting snow. Where? South Laramie Range along Interstate 80 between Laramie and Cheyenne. When? 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Monday until 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Wednesday. The following impacts are expected, mainly to transportation. Strong crosswinds will be hazardous to lightweight or high-profile vehicles, including campers and tractor-trailers. Ground blizzard conditions will also be possible due to the combination of strong winds and fresh snow cover. Visibilities may be significantly reduced. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates on this situation.